Hello everyone. My name is Ferdiansyah NPM 213111089.
Information Systems Study Program.
In this video to discuss ION to audit of information infrastructure and operations. Auditing information infrastructure and operations is critical for ensuring the reliability, security, and availability of information systems in today's evolving business environment. This process involves evaluating the effectiveness of IT infrastructure, operations, and risk management processes to identify and address emerging
businesses, and other governmental agencies. To achieve these objectives, various frameworks have been developed to guide the implementation of e-government initiatives. This article explores key frameworks in e-government, their significance, and how they contribute to the success of digital governance. 1. Strategic frameworks. Strategic frameworks lay the foundation for e-government initiatives by aligning them with the overall goals and objectives of the government. One prominent example is the United Nations E-Government Development Index, EGDI, which assesses the readiness and capacity of countries to use ICT for delivering public services. This index considers factors such as infrastructure, human capital, and online services, providing governments with a comprehensive overview of their e-government maturity. 2. Technical frameworks. Technical frameworks focus on the underlying IT infrastructure and standards necessary for the seamless functioning of e-government systems. The Open Government Platform (OGP) is a notable example, promoting the use of open-source technologies and interoperability standards. By adhering to such frameworks, governments can ensure the compatibility of their digital systems, fostering collaboration and data exchange between different agencies. 3. Service-oriented architectures (SOA). SOA is a framework that structures IT systems into reusable services, promoting flexibility and scalability. In e-government, SOA allows for the modular development of applications, making it easier to integrate new services and adapt to evolving technology. This framework facilitates interoperability among different government departments, enabling seamless information sharing and collaboration. 4. Security and privacy frameworks. Ensuring the security and privacy of citizens' data is paramount in e-government initiatives. Frameworks such as the ISO/IEC 27001 Standard for Information Security Management and the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union provide guidelines for governments to safeguard sensitive information. By implementing robust security and privacy measures, governments can build trust among citizens and encourage wider acceptance of digital services. 5. User-centric frameworks. User-centric frameworks prioritize the needs and experiences of citizens in the development and design of e-government services. The user experience (UX) framework focuses on creating intuitive and accessible interfaces, making digital services more user-friendly. By prioritizing the user experience, governments can increase citizen engagement and satisfaction with e-government platforms. 6. Change management frameworks. Implementing e-government initiatives often requires significant organizational change. Change management frameworks, such as the PROSI-ADKER model, help governments navigate the human side of digital transformation. By addressing awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement, these frameworks assist in managing resistance to change and ensuring success. In the pursuit of citizen centricity, user-centric frameworks, particularly those focusing on user experience (UX), elevate the quality of digital interactions. Prioritizing intuitive and accessible interfaces enhances citizen engagement and satisfaction, transforming e-government from a mere administrative tool into a user-friendly service. Change management frameworks acknowledge the human aspect of digital transformation. The PROSI-ADKER model, addressing awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement, is instrumental in navigating the complexities of organizational change. Successful e-government implementation requires not only technological prowess but also a strategic approach to managing resistance and ensuring widespread adoption. In summation, e-government frameworks serve as beacons guiding governments through the intricacies of digital evolution. Embracing and adapting these frameworks is not merely a technological imperative but a commitment to creating efficient, transparent, and citizen-centric public services. As nations continue their journey towards a digital future, the judicious application of e-government frameworks will undoubtedly shape a governance landscape that is responsive, resilient, and oriented towards the needs of its citizens. Thank you. In the contemporary landscape of governance, the integration of information and communication technologies, ICT, has become pivotal for the enhancement of public services. Electronic government, or e-government, refers to the utilization of digital platforms and technologies to streamline administrative processes, enhance transparency, and improve citizen engagement. This article delves into the intricate world of e-government frameworks, unraveling their significance, and examining how they contribute to the advancement of digital governance. 1. Introduction to e-government. In the digital age, governments globally are recognizing the need to harness technology for effective service delivery. E-government is a holistic approach that leverages ICT to facilitate communication between government and citizens, businesses, and other governmental bodies. This paradigm shift aims to make public services more accessible, responsive, and efficient. 2. Strategic frameworks. At the core of successful e-government initiatives lies strategic planning. Frameworks such as the United Nations E-Government Development Index, EGDI, serve as compasses, assessing a country's readiness to implement digital governance. EGDI evaluates factors like infrastructure, human capital, and online services, offering governments a comprehensive overview to align their e-government strategies with broader developmental goals. 3. Technical frameworks. The technical backbone of e-government is crucial for seamless operations. The Open Government Platform, OGP, is a prominent example, advocating for open-source technologies and interoperability standards. By adhering to technical frameworks, governments can ensure the compatibility of their digital systems, fostering collaboration and efficient data exchange between diverse agencies. 4. Service-oriented architectures, SOA. In the dynamic realm of e-government, service-oriented architectures, SOA, stand out. SOA structures IT systems into modular, reusable services, enhancing flexibility and scalability. This framework enables the development of applications in a modular fashion, facilitating the integration of new services and adapting to evolving technological landscapes. 5. Security and privacy frameworks. As the digitization of government services progresses, safeguarding citizen data becomes paramount. Frameworks like the ISO/IEC 27001 Standard for Information Security Management and the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, provide guidelines for governments to fortify their digital infrastructure. These frameworks ensure that robust security and privacy measures are in place, fostering trust and acceptance of digital services among citizens. 6. User-centric frameworks. The success of e-government hinges on the satisfaction and engagement of its end users, the citizens. User-centric frameworks, focusing on user experience, UX, prioritize creating intuitive and accessible interfaces. By prioritizing the user experience, governments can enhance citizen engagement and satisfaction, making digital services more user-friendly. 7. Change management frameworks. Implementing e-government often necessitates significant organizational change. Change management frameworks, such as the ProSci-ADKAR model, address the human side of digital transformation. By addressing awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement, these frameworks assist in managing resistance to change and ensuring the successful adoption of e-government practices. Conclusion. In the ever-evolving landscape of governance, the adoption of e-government frameworks emerges as a critical catalyst for progress. These frameworks, spanning strategic, technical, security, user-centric, and change management dimensions, collectively shape the trajectory of digital governance. As nations increasingly invest in digital transformation, the importance of these frameworks cannot be overstated. Strategic frameworks, exemplified by the United Nations E-Government Development Index, EGDI, provide governments with a roadmap to align their digital strategies with overarching developmental goals. This strategic alignment is crucial for the effective deployment of e-government initiatives, ensuring they contribute meaningfully to societal progress. On the technical front, frameworks such as the Open Government Platform, OGP, play a pivotal role in promoting interoperability and the use of open-source technologies. This technical cohesion facilitates seamless collaboration and data exchange among various government entities, fostering a more integrated and efficient digital ecosystem. Service-oriented architectures, SOA, exemplify the adaptability and scalability required in the dynamic realm of e-government. By structuring IT systems into modular services, SOA enables governments to respond nimbly to changing technological landscapes, ensuring that their digital infrastructure remains agile and effective. Security and privacy frameworks stand as guardians of citizens' trust in e-government. The ISO/IEC 27001 standard and regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, provide clear guidelines for governments to fortify their digital defenses. This commitment to data security not only protects sensitive information but also fosters confidence among citizens, encouraging broader acceptance of digital services.